Most people are not aware that if you're given 1 year time, the topmost rare earth mine stock in the United States have risen 25 times. That's 2,500%. Let me explain which one it is. Here I'm comparing 23 stocks for a winner. Welcome to Liu Stock Observer. Today is October 16th, 2025. On Wednesday and Thursday, the mining stocks finally took a rest, and there's a lot of profit taking. It is important to know which ones are the pretenders and which ones are the contenders. The rare earth battle is going to be a long-lasting one, and the United States is not going to back down. Trump even said about the US-China trade war, you are in one right now. So it is very important to know which stocks to bet on for the long run. Now from September 15th to October 15th, here are the relative increase of some of the stocks. The most aggressive one increased 600%, NVA. If you look at a year's worth of stock increase, then the topmost stock increased 25 times. And this is USA rare earths. This flat line on the bottom, that's the S&P index. So I analyzed 23 stocks on the market right now. Correct me if I'm wrong. If you know more, please add in a comment. I would appreciate it. On the first column is the stock ticker. Second column, the name of the company. Third column indicates the business area. Rare earths, lithium, or uranium. This column indicates the country of the company, the lifetime, the age of the company, market valuation, the current stock price as of October 15th, and the amount of increase in a month. If you look at the increase in a month, you have some that go 195%, 145%, 297%, 171%, and 239%. So which ones are the best? I put some of the best ones according to my analysis in red. These are UUUU, Energy Fuels, MP, Mountain Pass. Mountain Pass have received interest and investment from Apple and the Department of Defense. Lithium Americas. This one has received about $3 billion worth of investment from General Motors and Department of Energy. USAR. This one is a very hot company, but it has not found investments from the US government yet. TMQ, Trilogy Metals, received US investment, increased 297%. They mine copper in Alaska. United Antimony. This is a rare earth company that have received $245 million of government contract to make reserves, and they increased 171%. Nova Materials, NVA. This is actually a 40-year-old company based in Australia, and they are now mining in Alaska. The last one I like to mention is LEU, Centrus Energy. This has been increasing 78%. Now, one of the things you notice is that the companies with the largest market cap typically have the slowest rise. For example, Rio Tinto has $110 billion of market valuation. It has only increased by 10%. Mountain Pass had 15 billions of valuation. This is number 2, and they have only increased 36% in a month. So I have a link of this file in the description. Please feel free to download and study it for yourself. Everything I do is for my own education and observation. Investment in stock has tremendous amount of risk. Please take it seriously and do your own research work. Now, thank you for coming and staying this long. I really appreciate it. And if you can, please contribute a like. It will tremendously help this channel, and I would appreciate it. very much. Thank you, and I hope to see you again in future episodes where we analyze rising stocks at the early stage. Thank you.